Hey there, and welcome to my channel. I'm going to give you an overview on the launch control system in 6th Gen Camaros. It's a way to consistently launch the car, and it's not always the fastest way to do so, but you can get some repeatable times using it, granted you're in similar conditions. For me, it's a pretty fun system to use because it allows for some wheel spin, but allows some of the nannies to stay on so you don't get in too much trouble and spin without accelerating. I find that using launch control in combination with no lift shift is the most entertaining and the fastest way to use a system. You can see some examples of that here. I will link the full-length videos of these launches and pulls in the information bar and in the description. For 6th Gen Camaros, I believe launch control is available in the 1LE models of the 2.0 turbo 4-cylinder and the V6, as well as on the SS and the ZL1 models. In order to engage launch control, you first put the car either into the sport or track drive modes by hitting the mode selector switch. From there, you press the traction control button twice with a slight delay in the middle to get into competitive mode for the traction management system. Then you just press in the clutch, put it into first gear, and floor the gas. The revs will set a little over 4,000 RPMs, and from there you just release the clutch quickly and the car will set off. If you're in an automatic, do the same steps to get the car into sport or track mode and competitive drive mode, and then press the brake firmly like you're in a panic stop and floor the gas, and the car will enter launch control. I've gotten some pretty okay times using the system, and it's a pretty nice thing for Chevy to include, although it might be more of an expected luxury at this point. So go out and have some safe fun, and please like the video, subscribe, and check out some of my other Camaro content. Thanks for watching.